Hi, this is Jebb Adams. As I was saying, yes, this is Kendra. A wonderful surprise. I'm really, really happy, especially that I'm able to have, a place to video this machine and store it and keep it. So this machine will figure prominently in the next few months as I do a good restoration on it. First indications are that there's nothing critical or severe that needs, the only attention it needs right now is just the usual attention. The cord you can see is cut there, and the reason I cut it is because it went down into the table, and it was in a kind of a hidden place behind the solid wood on one side and a metal box like cover on the other side underneath towards the floor of the ground. It was quite awkward to get into, and that wire, that needs to be replaced. If you take a look at the consistency, you can see the cracking and the crumbling of the rubber. It's lost its vitality. So it's old. So the wire is old too. So it has to be replaced. But I'm really pleased with this machine, and I think it's going to be a nice process to get her up and going. I do have the table here in the studio, and I'm going to get her in the table get it in the table as well. And this will be one of my go-to machines. It's a solid straight stitcher. It's very sturdy, and I'm going to really looking forward to trying it out and seeing how it sews and stitches. So thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. I like to encourage people to view the video and like it if they do like it, and to please subscribe. I'd like you to come back again. Subscribing helps my videos get put on YouTube more. So thank you for stopping by.